Hey y'all, it's Nisha baby. And I wanted to hop on today really quick while the sun was out because the light is lighting. Natural light is best. I just want to talk about self-love. So I know I mentioned before on my post that I've been MIA. Oh snap. I've been MIA or whatnot. That if nature want to be here with me, okay. But I've mentioned before on my page that I definitely had been missing for quite a while. And that's because I was focusing on myself, focusing on who I was as a mother, a wife, you know, even outside of that, someone who stayed at home as an entrepreneur. Just who is Tanisha, without being in the military, without being a staff sergeant, without having to look over so many people, without being head of NCOIC, just trying to figure out who am I. And I went through some dark times because I honestly thought I was nothing. I was worthless without my uniform on. And that could be a tough thing for anyone to go through, but especially when you're pregnant and you're transitioning out and you're pregnant and you're moving and you're trying to figure out what is life going to throw at you and you don't have control of the situation. But I've learned to love myself. I'm still learning how to love myself after 4 pregnancies, 3 healthy, beautiful children, 1 heavenly. It takes a toll. So you really need to focus on knowing who you are, and self-love, self-worth is one of my things that before I thought it was just like, getting cute, putting on makeup, doing all the things to make you look good aesthetically. But in order to look good aesthetically, you have to feel good. You have to know who you are and know the things that you like, the things you don't like. What things that you may have liked actually can change, because that happened to me. Once you're out of the military, once you no longer have kids or whatever your once was, So just journal, get outside, get in nature, because it's beautiful, right? And we need our sun. And you definitely just want to focus on who you are as a person, because you are constantly evolving. We're constantly growing as a community. So many changes going on in the world right now, but you have to be grounded and know where you stand and who you are as a person. And that begins with self-love. Self-love, self-worth, knowing who you are. And that's all I want to say to y'all today. But give you a little, glimpse of my life and why I've been MIA, and something I'm passionate about, that I really do hold dear in my heart. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.